Have you noticed your hair looking a bit thin? Does that bald spot keep growing? Don't resort to cheap over-the-counter remedies that obviously don't work. Call the experts at Hair Systems in Worcester. Our goal is simple: to restore the natural full head of hair that you crave. At Hair Systems, we offer several techniques to restore your hair, including transplants, custom-made hair systems, and laser scalp therapy. All of our proven procedures are available for both men and women. Life's too short. Look your best. A great head of hair is proven to be a confidence booster, and we're here to get your natural look back. If you're interested in any of our hair restoration procedures, call the experts at Hair Systems. We have been providing solutions for men and women with hair loss for over 46 years. We also provide wig options for those experiencing or anticipating hair loss from medical procedures. Your consultation with us will be held in the strictest confidence and without pressure. Please visit our website to learn more about how we can help you today.